Introduction to AWS Lambda. Lambda was introduced in 2014. In order to create an application, developers don't need to create or maintain any server. Instead, you need to write a simple function. Then AWS automatically manages the underlying computing resources. Execution time. Those functions should be relatively simple and need to run in under 5 minutes. Because Lambda functions are usually triggered by several kinds of events, they're suitable for creating event-driven, responsive applications, such as if you upload a file on S3, then Lambda event will be triggered, that file is uploaded, then you can perform any action, for instance read or write. And use REST API calls to trigger the Lambda functions, as well as create a highly scalable and durable backend service that will run actions and return data to a web or mobile apps. The code that runs inside the Lambda functions can be written using Java, Go, PowerShell, Node.js, C#, Python, and Ruby, which means you can use the language of your choice to create the applications without provisioning any servers.